Hello, my dear children. Today we will learn how to introduce ourselves in a simple, easy language. So, let's start our video. Introducing oneself confidently in a natural way puts a great impact on others, whether it's your classmates, teacher, client, or your boss. Introducing oneself in a proper manner plays a vital role for your first impression. Now, for a good impression and for a good introduction, we have to keep some points in our mind, which are first, your introduction should be clear, your voice should be audible with correct pronunciation without any grammatical mistake. Then your introduction should be concise, means use key points which give brief knowledge about you in a short span. Last, our introduction should be simple and easily understandable. Now, I am going to ask you to listen, to repeat again, and finally to repeat, but make it true for you. For example, let's start with your name. First, listen. Hello, I am John. Now, repeat with me. Hello, I am John. Now make it true for yourself. Hello, I am blank. In that blank, just complete that blank with your own name. Like, hello, I am Afrin. You have to repeat it with your name. That will make it true for yourself. Now, let's see few example with our same technique. Listen and repeat. First example, hello, my name is John. Now you repeat.
Hello, my name is John.
Good. Repeat again.
Hello, my name is
Good.
John.
Now repeat and make it true for yourself.
Hello, my name is Akshat.
Excellent. Next way to introduce ourselves is with a hi. Hi, my name is John. Then you can also say hello, myself John. In an informal way, we can say hey, my name is John, or hey, myself John. Now pause the video and go through all the examples one by one. Practice it nicely. Next step of our introduction will be to speak about our place where we live. Here are few examples. We can say it in two different ways, like hey, my name is John. I come from Delhi. Or hello, my name is John. I am from Delhi. So go through all the examples carefully. Now the next step is to talk about your qualification. For example, I am studying in class 4th, I am studying in class 3rd, I have completed my graduation, I am completing my graduation, I have completed my bachelor degree and pursuing for master's degree, I am pursuing my graduation. So you can speak about your qualification in different way. Example, my name is John. I come from Delhi. I have completed my graduation. Now, the next step in our introduction is to talk about our interest. Our interest can differ from other person. It can be singing, it can be dancing, it can be music, it can be both singing and dancing. So we have to speak about our interest. For example, I wholeheartedly love cooking. I like to cook for others. Second, I wholeheartedly love dancing. I like to dance. It makes me happy. Next example, I wholeheartedly love music. I like to sing. I like to sing with my friends. Now let's see one complete example. Hello, my name is Neha. I come from Mumbai. I have completed my bachelor degree and pursuing for master's degree. I wholeheartedly love cooking. I like to cook for others. You can add different points in your introduction according to the situation. You can also add your future goals in your introduction. That's it for today's video. Language is all about practice, so keep practicing. I hope you like this video. If you like my channel, kindly subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for my new videos. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.